Let's go ahead and unbag the tailgate board. Everything in this bag is what you need whether you're going out to the game or staying at home. Wings, dips. This is an interactive board, great for large groups. So I've got the board unbagged. It comes with 24 wings, 10 ribs, ranch for dipping your wings into, some pickled jalapenos, yellow mustard, that's to dip that sausage into, and some barbecue sauce, whether that's for the wings, the ribs, or even the sausage. Also included are some Frito chips and Lay's. Gotta have chips, always if you're tailgating. Chips are good. One of the last items that you're gonna get in the kit is going to be a container of cream spinach and a small souffle cup of Parmesan cheese. Place that into a bakeable dish and then put it under the broiler for about 5 to 6 minutes until the cheese melts and the cream spinach is bubbling. The base board was awesome, but we kicked it up a notch with pimento cheese, pita chips, pretzels. These are spiced with a little bit of mustard. These are awesome. Some bell peppers to dip into the hummus with cucumber and celery. Again, you can dip that into the ranch if you want. But this is how to take a 12 by 30 inch board, tailgating itself, over the top.
Dickey's, legit Texas barbecue since 1941. Order today at dickeys.com.